Here's the thing about actuator spec sheets. That rated cycle life number, it was tested at full stroke, half load, and 25% duty cycle. Your application almost certainly doesn't match those conditions, which means that number on the spec sheet could be wildly optimistic or surprisingly conservative depending on how you're actually using it. That's exactly the problem this actuator lifecycle estimator solves. You plug in your real-world operating conditions, and it calculates how many years your actuator will actually last before it wears out. Here's how it works. You start with the manufacturer's rated cycle life, then the calculator applies adjustment factors based on 4 variables: your actual stroke length compared to the rated full stroke, the percentage of maximum load you're applying, your duty cycle, and how many cycles per day you're running. Shorter strokes and lighter loads extend life. Heavier loads and higher duty cycles shorten it. The math compounds these factors to give you an adjusted cycle life, then divides by your daily usage to convert that into months and years. You can also flip the calculation around. Need the actuator to last 5 years? The calculator will tell you the maximum cycles per day or maximum load percentage to hit that target. Let me give you some practical examples. Say you're designing an automated greenhouse vent that cycles 10 times a day at 30% load with a 6-inch stroke. This calculator tells you whether a 25,000 cycle actuator will last 2 years or 20. Or maybe you're building an industrial sorting mechanism running 200 cycles a day at near full load. Now you know exactly when to schedule replacement before failure causes downtime. Or you're spec'ing actuators for a fleet of solar trackers and you need to guarantee 7 years of service. Run the numbers backward to find your load and cycle limits. Stop guessing at actuator lifespan and start engineering around real numbers. Find the link in the description below to use this calculator and read the full engineering guide.